how to deposit money on Wise. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you deposit money on your Wise. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Wise mobile banking on your device. So simply you can open it by using your browser. So in the browser you will have to search for Wise, and after you search the Wise, you will be able to open the official site of Wise banking. So from there you'll have to log in with your user ID or email ID and password. So after you log in with your email ID and password, you'll have to just tap on that login option, and after you log in with your account on Wise, you will be able to see such interface. So from here you will got a lot of options. From here you will have to go the option card just at the left hand side of your screen. So simply tap on the card option. Alright, so after you tap on that, you will be able to see such interface. So from here at the bottom of your screen, you will be able to see your options like join the waitlist. So if you have this option on your country right now, here is no any options like this card is not reached on your country yet. So if you are able to use this join the waitlist on your account, you will be able to join the waitlist from there, and you can easily deposit money on your Wise account. So from this process you can easily deposit your money on Wise account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.